fire.
That was amazing.
That was really good. That was accurate.
Let's see if you can do a better one.
Stop hitting me, Tom. It's been your 10th time.
How about a different? You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I'll do a different one.
Okay.
Stop hitting me, Tom. It's your 11th time.
Did you want my monkey to be squishy, firm, or in the middle?
Yeah.
Can you make them squishy but firm in the right places?
Where would that
So I'd say keep them nice.
Shit.
Oh, I don't know how I feel about this.
Remember last time we stuffed a monkey?
Man, back in Zimbabwe, man, that was something different. Damn, that nigga thick as shit. Now, if we told you we've been to the island, would you believe us?
No.
Don't run, boy.
Okay. Is that hurt your ears? You guys like our sounds? We made it ourselves.
Stop hitting me, Tom. It's your 11th time. It's your 11th time. Stop hitting me, Tom.
Shut up.
Stop hitting me, Tom. It's your 11th time.
Oh shit! It's Lacey. What's good, man? Of course, bro.
Yeah, I just shot her.
That's real.
Hey, monkey. 1, 2, 3. Stop hitting me, Tom. It's your 11th time.
We're back at the